Two ways to slow down iPhone videos. Now in this video, I'll show you two specific ways for you to be able to slow down any of the videos that you have in your iPhone. First method is just by pulling up your camera feature here. If you swipe to your left, you can go ahead and use the slow-mo feature, which is going to be this one. To edit that, just simply access the video and choose on edit option. Now you would be able to see two fields here, which is going to be the first timeline and the second timeline. Second timeline is this is where you can adjust from start to end of a slow-mo video and choose on done to finish. Now the other method is by using CapCut. Just simply open up your Apple Store, download CapCut application. It's totally free. Access it, import your project, and this is your timeline. Now choose where to start on your slow-mo video and then choose on split. Choose the second video, swipe to your right and choose on speed, and you can try to use between normal, curve, or velocity effects. And those are two ways for you to be able to slow down iPhone videos.